Today I will be sharing with you all recipe of Arabic sweet. So let's see what ingredients we need. 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of saffron, 2 tablespoons of walnuts. Here I took 1 cup of sago. I have washed it and soaked for about 1 hour, and 1 tablespoon of butter. Add little water to saffron. I took a pot here and now I will add sugar. Now keep mixing until the sugar melts and turns into golden brown color. As you can see, sugar is melting now. Wait until it becomes golden brown color. As you can see, sugar has turned into caramel. So now we can add water. Now add cardamom powder and saffron. Mix it well and then let it boil. Now drain sago, and when water starts boiling, add sago. As you can see, I have added sago now. Now keep mixing. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter and mix well. Now keep mixing for about 15 minutes until sago becomes transparent. As you can see, sago is transparent now. We can serve it in a plate. I have served sago in a plate. I have garnished with walnuts and it's really looking delicious. Thank you for watching.